Traditionalists are members of the oldest generation alive today. They were born between 1925 and 1945. Although very few of them are still working today, I want you to be prepared for working with them. As children, they survived some of the most difficult conditions that any of the generations have experienced. They survived the Great Depression in the 1920s and early 1930s. Then, as teens and young adults, they lived through World War II. These two events played a significant role in shaping who they became as adults. They tend to be frugal, patriotic, and loyal. They follow the rules, take responsibility for their actions, and are more willing than any other generation to make sacrifices for their employers.